this episode I'm going to show you how to level and install the valve covers on a 911 engine. These valve covers look a little bit different than you saw them last. I have had them powder coated in a translucent gold color from Prismatic Powder. The lower valve covers are the upgraded turbo valve covers. You can see they have all this extra ribbing here to help strengthen them to prevent warpage. Alright, so this is a pretty basic job. Let's dive into it. Plate of glass, sandpaper, spray adhesive. So that's about it for installing the valve covers. You can see that I did not use a torque wrench on these. The torque rating is so small on this that you need a quarter drive torque wrench. I don't have one of those, so I just put them on as lightly as I could. If they seep or leak a little bit, I'll just tighten them up in the future. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I got a bunch more coming.